Good morning, boys and girls. Remember, we're going on a dinosaur hunt, so we have to be quiet. Lower your lights as much as possible, but still be able to see what you're doing. That's what Miss Tiana did. First, before we start our morning, we are going to sing our good morning song. Can you sing the good morning song with me? Are you ready? I'm going to count to three and we're going to sing together. One, two, three. Good morning, and how are you today? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Shake hands with the one that's close to you. Shake hands, and say, how do you do? How do you do? Yes, I know Miss Tiana's not as loud as I normally be. Nothing is wrong. I'm just trying to be quiet so we don't wake the dinosaurs. So, did you guys ever figure out were these two dinosaurs the same or were they different? If they're different, can you tell me what makes these two dinosaurs different or what makes them the same? I'm gonna kind of tell you. No, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna spoil it. We have large group tomorrow. Maybe we could talk about it a little bit more then. So I'm gonna show you a few more dinosaurs. And we have this dinosaur. We have this dinosaur. We have this dinosaur. We have this dinosaur. We have a few dinosaurs. And then we have a little bit smaller dinosaurs. They are smaller. Okay, so I showed you a few different dinosaurs. But look, I'm gonna show you two of them. And I'm just curious. I showed you two. They could be same or different. I'm gonna show you two more. Can you look at these two dinosaurs? Are these two dinosaurs the same or different? What makes them different or what makes them the same? So I'm gonna turn it around a little bit so you can see it from different angles. That's the front. That's the other side. So are these two the same or are they different? And what makes them the same and what makes them different? So, before we go on a dinosaur hunt and before we do an activity, let's go over some of our shapes and talk about the colors of the shapes, recognize some of our numbers, talk about our days of the week, our seasons, and proper hand washing. So, are you ready? We have, can you say it with me? I don't want to do it by myself because if I do it by myself, I might get a little mixed up. Can you say it with me? Pink star, blue rectangle, red diamond, red octagon, purple square, orange circle, and green oval. Look at the oval in the oval in the circle. Don't they look almost alike? But they're different. What makes the oval and the circle different is because the oval is longer and the circle is just round. But the oval goes up, down, and around like that. So that's what makes them different. And don't forget, the octagon is our stop sign. When your parents are driving or when you're out taking a walk and you see the stop sign, guess what? That stop sign is our octagon. Yes, it's just missing the word stop on there. So now let's talk about our four seasons. Do you remember what four seasons are in a year that I be talking about? Do you recall what are four seasons? I'm setting you up a little bit so hopefully you can see a little bit better. Do you remember the four seasons right here? One, two, three, four. So we have winter, spring, summer, and fall. In the winter time, we have snow. In the spring is when it's raining and the flowers are growing. In the summer, we have green leaves and it's hot. In the fall, that's when the leaves change colors and fall on the ground, fall to the ground. Yes, four seasons in a year. And with it being four seasons in a year, did you know there is 7 days in a week? The first day of the week is Sunday. The last day is Saturday. Can you say the days of the week with me? We're going to do our days of the week song. Can you do that with me? When I count to three, you say it with me? Okay. One, two, three. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Wow. So let's count our days of the week to see how many days of the week is there again. We have them right here. This is Sunday and this is Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there is 7 days in a week. And today is Tuesday, which means yesterday was Monday and tomorrow is Wednesday. Can you say that with me? Yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. So, you guys, do you recognize any of those numbers up there? I know you guys do. So we've done 1 through 5. I'm pretty sure you have that mastered, but we'll go over it again because we're going to focus on 6 through 10 to recognize the numbers. I know you guys can count past that, but we're going to just recognize the numbers if that's okay with you. Are you ready? We have the number 1 up there, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Now we have 6 lemonades. Then we have 7 balloons. We have 8 cars, 9 presents, and 10 cupcakes. So now let's talk about our project we're going to do. I took some shapes and pre-cut them in advance. I have squares, I have circles, and I have rectangles. What you're going to do, parents, is give them one piece of paper that has nothing on it and cut out shapes. Oh, and I have triangles too. I'm sorry. Let me show you. There's that are my triangles. So let's show you again. I have cut out some triangles. I cut out some squares. I cut out circles. And I cut out rectangles. I pre-did this last night so I can do this activity with you guys today. Then take a regular sheet of paper and I want you to create your own dinosaur. And you have glue or glue sticks. I'm going to use a glue stick and we're going to create dinosaurs. So I'm going to show you some dinosaurs, but you can create your own unique dinosaur. It doesn't have to look like what I'm going to show you. You create however you want it to look. But here's some of the dinosaurs. So if you look at this is kind of like a triangle. So you make your dinosaurs however you want to. And I know looking at the dinosaurs, you're like, how am I supposed to create a dinosaur out of shapes? It can be done. What I want you guys to do this project today, and we're going to show what we created tomorrow. Again, use whatever shapes you want, parents. I just particularly use the rectangle, the triangle, circles, and squares. Those are the shapes I'm going to use to create my dinosaur. And as you see, I did green. But parents, you can use whatever color paper you want. Cut it up in whatever shapes you want. Cut it how big or however small you want. And let the kids do it. Please do not do it for them. Don't tell them where it's supposed to be. Let them use their imagination and create their own dinosaur that they want to create using the shapes that you cut out for them. Then, kids, when you're done, do a dinosaur. See if you can do a dino. We're gonna do the dinosaur hunt. You gotta be real quiet. Turn off the lights, but make sure it's not really dark because I don't want you to hurt yourself. And move really quietly through your house or outside. Look under stuff, behind stuff, wherever, and see if you find any dinosaurs. And tomorrow in our group at 2 o'clock, we're going to talk about what you found. And we're going to look at some of them awesome dinosaurs you guys created. And I'm going to have my dinosaur ready as well. And I'm going to also show you what dinosaurs I find, if I find any. It's a dinosaur hunt, so I might not be able to find any. I might be able to find one, or I might be able to find two. Let's see what we come up with. You guys enjoy and stay safe. Remember, when you cough in your sleeve like this. Remember to wash your hands before and after you eat. Remember to wash your hands when coming in from outside. Remember to wash your hands just when they're dirty. Remember to you wet your hands under running water, warm water, not cold, warm water. Put soap on it, lather it up, wash the front, the back, in between your fingers and your wrists. And you can sing the alphabet song. Once you get from A to Z, then you know your hands are clean. Then you can rinse the soap off and you dry them with a paper towel or a towel, whatever your parents give you to dry your hands off. Okay, you guys, I am done for the day. Don't forget, create these awesome dinosaurs so I can see what you come up with. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.